Ever felt that heart-stopping moment? You hit deposit, watched those precious crypto or fiat funds vanish from one account, and then, nothing. Just the digital equivalent of crickets chirping. You stare at your Kraken screen, refreshing, refreshing, refreshing. Where are my funds? You whisper to the void. Did I mess something up? Is this thing broken? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. We've all been there, that limbo between sending and receiving, especially in the fast-paced, sometimes unpredictable world of cryptocurrency. We're not just talking about the anxiety of waiting. We're talking about real-world consequences. Maybe you needed those funds to capitalize on a market dip, or perhaps you're relying on them for a time-sensitive payment. That delay isn't just an inconvenience, it can be a financial hurdle. Today, we're diving deep into the often murky waters of deposit times on Kraken. We're going to demystify the process, break down the variables, and give you a realistic timeline. Forget the vague "it depends" answers. We're getting specific. Let's start with the basics. Kraken, like any other exchange, has to verify and process your deposits. This isn't just about clicking a button, it involves security protocols, network confirmations, and sometimes, human intervention. So, how long does this actually take? First, let's address fiat deposits. We're talking about good old-fashioned dollars, euros, pounds, and other national currencies. The time it takes for these to show up can vary significantly based on your chosen method. Bank transfers, for example, can take anywhere from 1 to 5 business days. Yes, you read that right, business days. That means weekends and holidays don't count. If you're transferring on a Friday afternoon, you might be looking at a wait until the middle of the following week. Why the delay? Well, banks aren't exactly known for their lightning-fast processing speeds. There are multiple layers of verification, including anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, checks. Kraken, like all regulated exchanges, is legally obligated to perform these checks. This adds to the processing time. Then there are regional variations. Some banks and payment processors are simply faster than others. If you're using a less common bank or a smaller payment processor, expect potential delays. Now, let's talk about faster options. If you're in a region that supports instant bank transfers or faster payment methods, you might see your funds arrive within minutes or hours. However, these options often come with fees. It's a classic trade-off, speed versus cost. What about cryptocurrency deposits? This is where things get a bit more complex. Unlike fiat, crypto deposits rely on blockchain technology. The time it takes for your crypto to show up depends on a few key factors. The specific cryptocurrency, some blockchains are inherently faster than others. For example, transactions on the Litecoin network are generally quicker than those on the Bitcoin network. Network congestion, just like traffic on a highway, blockchain networks can get congested. During periods of high activity, transactions can take significantly longer. The number of confirmations required, Kraken, for security reasons, requires a certain number of confirmations before crediting your account. More confirmations mean more security, but also longer wait times. Let's break this down with some examples. For Bitcoin, Kraken typically requires 6 confirmations. This can take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour, or even longer during periods of high network congestion. Ethereum, depending on the network load, might require a similar number of confirmations, leading to similar wait times. For faster cryptocurrencies like Litecoin or XRP, the wait times can be significantly shorter. You might see your funds credited within minutes. However, even these faster networks can experience delays during peak usage. Now, let's talk about some common pitfalls and how to avoid them. One of the most common mistakes is entering the wrong deposit address. Crypto addresses are long, complex strings of characters. A single typo can send your funds into the digital abyss, and recovering them can be incredibly difficult, if not impossible. Always double-check and triple-check your deposit address. Another common issue is insufficient transaction fees. If you're sending a crypto transaction with a low fee, it might get stuck in the mempool, the waiting area for unconfirmed transactions. Kraken won't credit your account until the transaction is confirmed, so a low fee can lead to significant delays. What about Kraken's side of things? Sometimes, the delay isn't on your end. Kraken might be experiencing technical issues or network problems. While these are rare, they can happen. Always check Kraken's status page for any reported issues. Also, large deposits can sometimes take longer to process, as they might trigger additional security checks. If you're depositing a significant amount of crypto or fiat, be prepared for a longer wait time. Here's a quick checklist to help you minimize delays. Double-check your deposit address. Use an appropriate transaction fee. Be aware of network congestion. Understand the required number of confirmations. Factor in bank processing times for fiat deposits. Check Kraken's status page for any reported issues. Understand that large deposits may take longer. Use faster payment methods where available, if you are willing to pay the fees. Keep records of transactions. It's also important to be patient. The world of crypto and online banking isn't always instantaneous. While we all want our funds to appear immediately, it's crucial to understand the processes involved. If you've followed all the steps and you're still experiencing a significant delay, don't hesitate to contact Kraken support. They can investigate your issue and provide you with an update. In conclusion, how long does it take for a deposit to show up on Kraken? The answer, as we've seen, is, it depends. It depends on the type of deposit, the network conditions, the bank involved, and a whole host of other factors. But by understanding these variables and following the tips we've discussed, you can minimize delays and ensure a smoother deposit experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.